Here I have Chuwi HiPad Max, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off, and after your device turns off completely, what you will have to do is to get yourself like USB-C cable, connect it from one side to computer and from other side to your device, just like this. So you have to hold down volume up key, and while you hold it, you just connect the cable and hold it until something happens, something more extraordinary than this. So now when you see this no command message, you can release the cable. To proceed, hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option Reboot to bootloader. And that's how you can enter boot mode. So in boot mode, just like in the previous mode, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as start, restart bootloader, recovery mode, power off, boot to FFBM, boot to QMMI, and start. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option start, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.